Welcome to Historic Aerials. Today I'm going to show you around our easy-to-use PDF report builder. Starting inside of the image viewer, I've found the area and year of coverage that I would like to include in my report. At the top of the viewer, I have 3 selection buttons. I'm going to use the square or scale option because I want to use my subscription credits to create a PDF report. I can zoom in and out or click and drag to get my selection just right. Once I have the perfect area selected, I'm going to click on the Save to Gallery button and title this selection. Inside of my gallery, I can see all of my saved selections. Underneath the thumbnail of the selection I'd like to include, I'm going to click on the PDF icon. Please note that clicking the icon here does use credits since I'm viewing an unwatermarked photo. The image I've selected is populated at the top of a standard page. The corresponding street map is in the bottom right corner, and a box where I can type notes is on the left. By clicking on the eye icon at the top left, I activate my annotation tools, where I can mark up, write, and draw on this image as needed to highlight my findings. On the left, I have layer options that I click to include additional years of aerial imagery in my report. Once again, because these are unwatermarked photos, any image viewed while I'm in the PDF report builder will use credits whether or not I choose to download them. Now notice that when I add a layer, my annotations from the original layer automatically populate, so I don't have to spend the time marking up locations on each image. If I need to remove an annotation, I can just select it and click the X icon on the top right. I want to save each set of annotations I create so that they show up in the drop-down selection menu when it comes time to add them to the final version of my PDF report. I can save a set of annotations by clicking on the Save icon next to the eye. Saving my annotations allows me to customize markups on different layers as needed. On every layer, I have the option to load saved annotations in their exact location. I can only save 3 different sets of annotations per gallery item, so if I want more than 3 sets, I will need to save another gallery item, which will also use more credits. When I'm done editing the page of my report, I can also use the icon on the top right to save my report, print it, or exit the PDF report builder. When I select the print icon, I have the option of choosing which years I want to include in my report. I will not be charged extra credits if I want to use any years I viewed while I was in the PDF report builder, but I will have to use credits for any extra years I didn't view and want to add to the report. I can also select whether or not I want to include the historic aerial seal for the selected year. The drop-down menu in the Annotations column allows me to specify which set of saved annotations I want to include for that year. Once I'm done making selections, I can print the annotated report or select one of the 2 download options. With a single PDF file, my selected years will show up as multiple pages. If I select Download Images, I'll receive a zip folder with each of my selected years as separate PNG files. Both download options will have annotations included. The versatile PDF Builder has all the tools to make generating professional-looking reports a quick and easy process.